What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. I am super excited for this one. There are a lot of great slimes. Do not forget that I restock every Friday at 6 p.m. Central. And alrighty, so kicking things off, we're starting like we always do with my baby Chanel number 2. However, we're doing a big batch this time. I made 3 gallons for you all this restock, so I am super excited to see how fast this is going to sell out just because there is so much of it. This is the most that I have ever stocked of Chanel number 2, so I'm really excited. This one here, if you don't know about Chanel, she is my bestseller. First of all, let's start with that. She is a bubblegum slime that is really thick. It's made with a glue wall base, and if you know anything about glue wall slimes, they come out super thick and glossy. So she is very thick, very glossy. She is scented like Bubblicious bubblegum, and it's just a really nice slime. Next, we are continuing on to Chanel number 4. If you were here for last week's restock, then you remember I did announce that I am doing limited edition of Chanel number 2s. So this one here is Chanel number 4. It is a cloud dough, which is super thick, and it's almost like a cloud slime. However, it doesn't drizzle, and it's super thick. You can still fluff it up and make really nice Instagram videos with it. However, it is not going to fall like a cloud slime. So if you're looking for that, then this one is definitely not going to be the one for you. However, if you like thick and holdable slimes, then this one is for you. Chanel number 4 is scented like green apple bubblegum, which smells really good. And like I said last week, once we announce like all of the Chanels, then there will be an opportunity for you to get them like in a bundle. So just be aware of that. But if you want the full sizes, then this is going to be the only week to get Chanel number 4. And here's a little clip of just me showing you that you can actually fluff it up and make a really fluffy, like, you know, Instagram picture, or you can take a really nice Instagram fluffing video, you know, whatever you want to do. Now moving on to this beauty. This one here is Unicorn Skies. This one is really nice, y'all. It's a watercolor slime scented just like blue cotton candy bubblegum. It's really nice. This one here I actually just made yesterday, so the colors are not as pastel as they are supposed to be because, you know, the slime hasn't gotten a chance to like suck in all the colors, if that makes sense. But there are a lot of star glitters in this as well. This one here is, you know, the one that I made for a video previously, probably like a week or 2 ago. This is how it's going to look once it's all settled. So once it gets to you, it should look like this with all the star glitters and everything like that. But this is what I'm showing you right now just because that is how it's looking. I also made this slime with a glue all base, so it's very thick and it smells really nice, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. Once it's all mixed together, I didn't show you this here, but it will create like a lavender kind of color. Next up, we have another slime here that is new to my shop. This one here is a mochi slime. This is Cupids Mochi, and it smells just like chocolate covered cherries. Super nice. It has some pink and red pom-poms in there to represent the little rice mochi cakes, and it's just really nice. This is kind of like a jelly cube slime. However, with the jelly cube slime, once you squish the little cubes, it's gone. Like, it turns into like a slushy kind of slime. The real cool thing about this pom-poms is that when you squeeze the pom-poms, it does make a really satisfying squishy sound, and you can also re-squish it again, like as many times as you want. So it's super cool and very unique. Next up, we have a really cool fusion of a gummy slime and a foam. So this one here is Gummy Valentine. It's scented just like a gummy candy, basically. It smells really, really nice. And this one has a bunch of large rainbow foam beads and also some pink foam beads to give it some texture. It's really, really nice and crunchy. This one is very, very good for bubble pops, and it self crunches too, which is super, super cool. This next one here you probably saw last week in last week's restock. If you watched that video, this one here is Red Velvet Oreo. It is scented just like the name, and just like all of my other Oreo slimes, it has a very nice and glossy base with a bunch of black glitters to represent the little Oreo pieces, and then some foam beads to add some texture to it. It's really, really nice. In the video, this one here is very sticky because this is literally the one from last week. So I just added a little activator. It's no biggie. If you get a slime and it's a little bit sticky, just add a little bit of activator. I include activator with all of my orders just for that very reason. So, you know, little tip. Now this next one here, this one is Strawberry Latte Taffy. I haven't stocked this slime in ages in the shop, so I'm so excited to bring it back. It is scented just like the name. It has a really nice color. It is a clay slime made with Daiso clay. It's not like a butter slime, so if you're expecting that, I'm sorry. But this one is really, really nice. You can spread this like a butter slime. However, that's not what it's like intended for. It's intended to be a little fluffier and a little bit thicker than a butter slime, but it's super, super nice. Next one up is one that I was most excited for. This one here is Chocolate Chip Brookie. Now, I did say brookie, like with the B. If you don't know what a brookie is, it's like a fusion between two tasty things, a brownie and a cookie. So this one here has some black foam beads to represent the chocolate chips in a chocolate chip cookie, and it is scented just like chocolate chip cookies and brownies. It is so, so good. It's a clay slime made with Model Magic clay, so it's very, very holdable. If you have hot hands, it won't melt on you as fast, and you won't need as much activator for this slime as well. So it's just a really nice slime overall. This slime is not meant to be stretchy, however, it does still have a really nice stretch to it. It's just not the stretchiest slime ever. So if you want something that's very, very stretchy that you can stretch all the way across the room, this is definitely not the one for you. But if you like holdable slimes that you can play with one hand, if that's your thing, then you can totally do that with this one. Next one up, we have Very Cherry. This one is a really nice cream cheese slime that is scented just like a cherry Jolly Rancher and pomegranate juice. It smells so good, y'all. This is one of the best slimes. This one and the next one that I'm about to show you are the best scented slimes. This whole restock, it smells so good. This one here is a very nice, thick slime base. If you don't know what a cream cheese slime, it's basically slime with made with like cornstarch. It's really nice. So if you like thick slimes, this is definitely going to be the one for you. And there are also some tiny red foam beads in there just to give it some extra texture, and it's just really good. This one is a beauty, y'all. I love this one so much. This is Unicorn Pop Rocks, and you actually helped me name this one on Instagram, so thank you so much for that. This one is a floam with a bunch of rainbow foam beads. There are also some pink foam beads in there just to kind of, you know, give it that unicorn aspect, and the slime base is a lavender base. It's scented just like Pop Rocks and like orange and strawberry soda. It's a weird combination, I know, but it smells so good. The reason that I scented it like that was because back in the day when I was younger, me and my brothers and my cousins, when we would get Pop Rocks, we would put them in our soda to watch our soda fizz up. So that's just what it reminded me of, and it just reminds me of my childhood. It is so good. And last but definitely not least, you all actually helped me make and name this one live on YouTube, so thank you so much. This one is one in a Minion, just like the Minion movies. Super cute because it's yellow and it smells like banana Twinkies. It's really nice. It is a cloud cream, and it's the thickest cloud cream I've ever made. Super sizzly, very thick, so if you're into that, then this is definitely going to be the one for you. Alrighty, that is pretty much it for this restocking video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know which of these slimes you want me to bring back for future restocks. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!